Hello, how you doing? So what we're going to do today is this beautiful red chicken chili rice. It really is good, spicy and fantastic. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So what I've got there is 1 kg or 2.2 pounds of chicken. That's a whole chicken cut into fairly small pieces. The bone is in, the skin is on. Oil, I'm using a sunflower oil. There's about 3 tablespoons there. Fresh chili. Now that's quite a lot of chili, but I want this really nice and spicy. Adjust it how you want. Some curry leaves there. I've got some fresh curry leaves. If you can get them, fabulous. If not, try and get dried. But yeah, they have got a really lovely flavor. Garlic ginger paste. There's a tablespoon there. Teaspoon each of salt and pepper. And then 2 teaspoons of what I always call the big 4. So chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander. We're also going to add some food color to this, which is completely optional, but it kind of works. This is a kind of orange red powder. You could use liquid if you want. So I've got a large mixing bowl. I'm going to start off with the food color because I want to get it out of the way. You've got to be really careful with this stuff. So right, that's quite a lot. That is quite a lot there. Let me just get that out of the way. And I've got a glove on. You're definitely going to need a glove. If you put your hand in, you're going to get it all over you. So the chili, plenty of that in there. The curry leaves. The salt and pepper. The big 4. So coriander, chili, turmeric and cumin. Some oil that's going to kind of just bring it all together. Tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. In it goes. And then here I go. We're going to give that a really beautiful mix back in about a minute or so. So that's it, beautiful. Now look, be really careful with this food coloring stuff because like I say, if you get it on your clothing, on your hand, it will stay there for ages. Off comes the glove. Off we go to the cooker. So you're going to need a wok, a large skillet or frying pan or something like that. The heat is on, above medium. Just put that on. We're going to drop in the whole marination. And simply, we're just going to fry this around for around 8 to 9 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, beautiful. That's like 9 or 10 minutes. Now they're not massive pieces, so it will cook really well in that time. I've got some rice on the go there. I'll talk to you about that a bit later. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to set this aside and keep all of the oil and everything. This is an important part of the dish. Okay, so let's move on to the next step. We're going to make a kind of very easy fried rice and then we're going to mix in our chicken. I've got a couple of tablespoons of oil there. I'm using a sunflower oil. And to that we're going to add 3 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 2 or 3 dried red chilies. So in they go. And just let them do their thing in the oil just for a few seconds. They'll infuse that oil and give it a fantastic flavor. And then I've got some cooked basmati rice, which we're going to throw around in there and fry it off. So I've got about 4 or 5 cups of the rice, which we can get in right now. I'm going to add some salt. And we're going to fry this rice for about 5 minutes on a nice high heat. Fabulous. Next up, we're going to get our chicken. We're going to drop it all in. And again, we're going to stay on the high heat. And we're going to throw this around for about another 4 to 5 minutes. As you can see, the rice is being coloured from the chicken. Really simple, super delicious. Off goes the heat. Job done. Fantastic stuff. And there we have it. Really, really tasty. Nice and spicy. Red chili chicken rice. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe. Keep well. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.